Meaning of freshman.
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 Freshman. Freshman is a term used to refer to a first-year student in college, university, or high school. It is commonly used in the United States and Canada. The term originally referred to a person's status as being new or inexperienced in a particular role or situation. In the context of higher education, it specifically refers to students who are at the beginning of their academic journey. Freshmen often undergo orientation and are given support to acclimate to campus life and academics. Being a freshman can be both exciting and challenging, as students adjust to a new environment and begin to develop their academic and social identities.